Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this ZTE. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I have my launcher already, but I will also go with Opera Mini Browser. Then wait for all your apps to download and click on Home button. Finally, access Devices Settings and scroll down. Then click on Apps section. Now you need to click on Default Apps over here and click on one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, click on Opera Mini to set it up, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. You can do it with all of your default apps, like for example, Home app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!